What's going on, guys? It's Carlos here again, and today I'm going to talk about something very important that you must take advantage of in quarter four, which is basically high spending. And this is the time of the year where everyone's pretty much going to be spending a shit ton of money on online and retail stores, but in e-commerce and dropshipping, this is where we can capitalize and really make a lot of money. And um, you know, you're gonna see 4 or 5 new Shopify gurus come out at the end of this year. In January, there's gonna be a bunch of new guys that are like gonna be start teaching this and selling their courses. And it's because of this, because a lot of people make a lot of money in the last part of the year, and then they have results to show, and they can use that to like convince other people. And that's how I started. Beginning of Actually, I started late 2017, so like in quarter four is when I started drop shipping. Um, and I didn't really know what I was doing. But now that I'm in a good position, I have a couple products doing well, and I'm one really good winner. Now in September, I can take that through the next few months and really make a killing. This video is about showing a quick overview of what you need to have in place and what you need to capitalize on. It's more of a general overview. I'm not going to get really specific into like scaling or what do you to do with the ads, but just more of like a broad like top-down view. Anyway, let's jump into this video now and get right into it. Alright guys, so I have here a quick PDF, just a little sheet that I made quickly to show you exactly what you're going to need to do to make 6 figures in quarter four dropshipping. And people spend more money in this quarter than they do in the entire year. So it's starts on October 1st, as I said, and ends December 31st. It's pretty straightforward. What you really have to do is know your holidays starting now. I mean, Labor Day just passed, and for me, that's kind of like that transition between summer and fall, and that's where like kind of like people's mentality changes, and like people get more in the buying mood. This was really like the switch, and if you saw my previous video about how to get to 1K a day, that happened for me uh, during Labor Day weekend. So see, so things like that is things you have to capitalize on. So the next one being Halloween, and you have Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday are going to probably be the biggest ones for you. They are for everyone, and then Christmas. Obviously, people buy a lot of gifts for during December too. But the thing with that is, since we're drop shipping, if you don't already if you don't have if you have a winner, you're gonna want to like order order in bulk, obviously, and have them stored in a fulfillment center here in the U.S. and then because if you start accepting orders like past December 4th or something, which is basically 2 weeks from December 25th, there's a chance that people are not going to get their item, and that could cause a lot of chargebacks, refunds, and things you just want to avoid. So definitely, if you have a winner, definitely have that product in stock in the U.S. with the fulfillment center before, if you're gonna continue placing orders after December 4th. So one thing I like to do is I make my store themed to like each holiday. I don't really do that much. I just kind of put on a banner on my homepage saying what's it called, whatever holiday it is. And then on some product pages, I actually put like, if I have obviously I always have the product marked down, but I'll put like 50% off. Deal ends, or Labor Day deal ends September 3rd. So it kind of increases the scarcity and helps people convert easier. Um, Another big thing is going to be email marketing. So what I'm going to do, and what I've done this whole year for email marketing is I'll send emails a couple days before the actual holiday, just kind of making the person aware, know that it's going to come from us, from the store, and then the day of, I'll send them the promotions. Um, and I don't like to use like a crazy amount of pictures, just because like if you use too many pictures, too many links on your emails, it could be sent to their promotions tab if they have like Gmail or whatever. Um, and then I have here for the daily for the weekend of Black Friday to Cyber Monday, I would be sending an email every day, just trying to get as much traffic and just squeeze out every bit of profit, like revenue that you can. So in terms of the making 100,000 in revenue in quarter 4, it's actually, if you break it down, it's not that difficult. 100,000 a month with a decent profit margin will give you 25,000 in profit, and obviously that would be nice. That's really nice to have in such a short amount of time. I mean, you can do a lot more than that, but that's something you can do and something that's very possible. So what you have to do is like literally test like hell right now. You're gonna be working many hours a day if you don't have a winner already to try to find that winner. You need to have that winner in September, and that's because once you go into October and November, you already want to have the data um, to like scale up. So right now it's what, September 8th. Find the winners now, and then you'll be in the right position to scale, and then in the following months. And if you already have a product that's selling well, just keep looking for more. I now, despite having a couple of products that are doing well, I'm still looking. I'm still looking for other ones that could bring me even more money. So definitely do that. So there's kind of like a breakdown I have month by month. Basically, September, you find the winner. You're gonna, like, conservative. You have revenue of 5,000. Maybe you break even. Maybe you don't profit. Most of your profit's gonna come over here. But if you just find the winner at first month could be 5,000. On October, look for more winners, and you're scaling the first winner and get that revenue up to 15. Then November, capitalize on that weekend. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you have to capitalize on that weekend. Set up your offers. Have buy one get one free offers, free shipping, all that. Actually, I think I missed out on free shipping day. Now that I think about it, that's a huge one for e-commerce. Oh, free shipping day is Friday, December 14th. So only do this free shipping day. So free shipping day, the 14th. Only do free shipping day if you have inventory in the US, and you can like send it out on time by at least the 24th, because you don't want to have to deal with chargebacks or refunds. So definitely that's another day. But back to this November, capitalize on Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, have your offers set up, your deals. You can reach easily a revenue of 40,000. And then in December, again, the first 2 or 3 weeks, maybe just two, you can still continue running your ads, and you have your revenue all the way up to 40,000. I don't think it's smart. I mean, maybe you can still make sales, but running ads like a few days before December 25th is like really risky. Like, you're not going to get it to anyone in time. So I'll let you know if I have more info on that. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do at that point, or what I'm going to do like right after December 25th. But definitely right up to it, 2 weeks before December 25th, you definitely want to continue selling. And you have here 40,000, 80, 95, and then 5 here. So it's very simple. And if you do it, if this in a day, 40,000 a month in a day is roughly like what, 1.25k. It's actually 1.33k. 1.33k a day. 5,000 a month, $166 a day. 15,000 a month, $500 a day. So these are just like, the only reason I'm telling you is these are kind of like the numbers you got to keep in mind. You just got to know kind of like what to expect. If you have these numbers in your head, you know what kind of you have to be hitting, and then it kind of makes it easier to know if you're hitting that or not. So basically, in summary, work your ass off now. Find a winner in September, and then scale it in October. Find more winners. and then really capitalize in November and December. Um, and honestly, oh, I don't know if you noticed these glasses, but these are actually what allows me to work like 15 hours a day sometimes. It's because I don't know if you've ever heard of the blue light blocking glasses, but I'm in front of a computer a lot of time of the day, and if I don't have these glasses on, I'll get massive headaches and I won't be able to work. So this really allows me to just literally sit here for hours and not like keep my focus and actually sleep better. They're called blue light blocking glasses by Swanwick. I highly recommend them to you. I'm gonna shamelessly leave my affiliate link below. I mean, we're all in here. We're all selling products online. This is normal. So I'm gonna leave my affiliate link below. I highly recommend you check that out. It'll really help you, um, you know, be more, productive. Be a lot more productive during your work hours and allow you to work a lot more time. So take advantage of quarter four. I hope you guys kill it. I'm gonna kill it too. Let's all kill it together, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.